Hi there! Today we are going to make a lunch box. Well, this sounds very interesting. So, let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a very colorful lunch box right here. We have to start by making a 3D box. How do we do that? Well, we have to make the dots join it with our scale. This is going to be an easy process as we have to make a cuboid first. Yes, cuboid is a three-dimensional figure. So, let's make it together. This looks great. After that, let's join this. Well, the first step is done and we have a beautiful cuboid right here. The next thing we do is start developing on top of this box, which is to make a fair drawing of our tiffin box or lunch box on top of this. Well, we have the outline of our cover and now we are going to make the bottom part of the lunch box. We will have to go very slow while making this. Please feel free to erase if you have made any mistake. Once we are done with that, let's make this beautiful box within this top part so that it looks like the design we have on our lunch box. And the next portion we make will have our spoon. Let's make this lock part on the side. And let's make this lock right here, which is in a semicircle. If you notice, we are going to draw a very light drawing. So just in case if we have to erase it, it is easier for us to do so. And look, our spoon is ready as well. The next step we do is start sketching this. Do not use a scale for sketching. Make a freehand drawing, yes. Also, make the sides of this a little curved. Yes, just like how we are making here. The top part seems to be ready. Let's make the bottom part now. And look at that. This looks great. Let's make the lock here. And then the box inside right here. Complete this as well. And then make the spoon. Once we are done with that, let's make the lock here. And complete the lunch box like this. Well, this looks amazing. Erase all the pencil marks you see and then start coloring. The first color we took was light pink. Do not worry if the color does not match exactly to the one mentioned in the book. You can take the closest shade which you have in your color box. Let's do this nicely and slowly. Let's take a dark pink color and do the spoon. And let's do this at other places wherever required. Go very slow while coloring this. Yes, as it is a very thin part, we do not want to go outside of it, or else the coloring will look shabby. Go slow while coloring this. That is amazing. Let's color this lightly with the same pink color. And now let's change our color. Yes, we will take magenta color and color it right on top of this. It has given us a darker shade, isn't it? This looks lovely. Let's color the same thing at the bottom of our lunchbox. And now let's do it here as well. Finally, let's take yellow color and do it here. And look, our lunchbox is ready.